Everyone knows that weaving in the ends is the worst part of crocheting. It takes a long time and it's just no fun. So today I'm going to be showing you how to weave in the ends quick and easy. So I just have a simple sphere right here, and here we go. So first you're going to begin by cutting off your yarn from the ball, just like so. And you're going to pull up your crochet hook, pulling this yarn tail out, and you're done with your crochet hook. You're going to pull this, making sure it's tight, and then you're going to remove your stitch marker, pulling it out, set that aside. Next, grab your needle. I prefer to use darning needles as they are much easier to work with than regular sewing needles. They do not split the yarn ends. So you're going to take, for each of the last stitches you have, you're going to take the front loop and you're going to weave the yarn tail through like this. You're going to do that for each stitch. Making sure you get into each stitch. And once you get back to your last stitch you made, it should look something like this. And you're just going to pull on your yarn tail until this becomes completely closed. And the next step, you're going to just go over under one of the loops just to really lock in that yarn. And then you're going to insert your needle into the center of the back of your piece, and you're just going to push it through like this. And you can pull it tightly and then sort of squish it back up. And you're going to do this step a few more times. So change direction and insert your needle where you just pulled it out of. And then do it again in another direction. You can do this as many times as you'd like, but I recommend 3 to 4 times, just weaving the yarn through your project. And now once you have this, you just cut it off, cut it close to your piece so there's only a little nub right here. And you're going to take your darning needle, use the back of it, and kind of just push this little stub back into your yarn piece. And there you go, we have a perfectly finished crochet sphere.